Hi guys, welcome to Desert M.S.E Consulting. Now you're here to see how you can earn money through YouTube. And truthfully, a lot of people have been wondering that. I wondered that for a long time. And there's two ways basically that you can earn money through YouTube. One is being an influencer like PewDiePie, Vanoss Gaming, any of those big streamers slash video makers that they get millions and millions of views. And generally, when they get a lot of views, they become affiliated with YouTube. Then they'll get I think it's the last time I looked, it was like 50 cents for 1,000 views. And that's because videos play on their ads play on their videos, or they're called mid rolls, or so many YouTube Red people are watching their videos that they get paid. So 1,000 for 50 cents doesn't seem like a whole heck of a lot, but when you have someone, I won't just go off the top of my head, someone like Vanoss Gaming, who gets generally about 10 million views each video. And so you take, or not 10 million, 2 million, I'm sorry. Accidental slip there. You divide that by 1,000, then it's 50 cents per video. He gets $1,000 per video, and he uploads, I think, 3 or 4 times a week. Now he has editors on. He has people that do quality control on his product. He does multiple different channels, and so you have a lot of YouTube channels that are a part of a bigger conglomerate. Like if anybody's ever watched Team Edge or the Dangy Bros or any group like that, they're all out of a larger entity, so that when a channel has a bad viewing month, then the other channels kind of migrate and help the money, so that they share editors, they share team, they share production studios, so they don't have a whole heck of a lot of risk associated with someone that's out of their house like me. And so that's a big difference in just a single videoer. Vanoss has a huge group of friends. They all make money together. I don't know if they share profit or not, but either way, notoriety is a huge thing. There's another way, and truthfully, this is a much easier and much more likely to succeed. So being an influencer, you almost have to win the lottery. It's like a 0.1%, if that you'll be able to make it in. You have to have a great personality. You have to have a super rigorous editing and training and uploading schedule, and and if you have a full-time job, you're going to have essentially what feels like 3 full-time jobs on top of it, and it's not going to be sustainable for very long. The other way to do it is through affiliate marketing. Affiliated marketing is where you take something that you're passionate about. Let's say you're passionate about cars. Well, you can post videos about you repairing cars, and maybe you have a certain brand that you use constantly, maybe like a car cleaner brand, or you have a certain maintenance website that you use constantly. Well, what you can do is, if you become affiliated with that website or that product, you don't even have to really mention it in your video until the very end, like I can do if I want to, but you use that during your video, and you have a good educational video. You only have to do like a 5 to 10 minute video. A lot less editing, not very rigorous on, you don't have to be super rigorous on uploading, but it's a good practice. If you get good practice at uploading 1 video a day, you get 100 videos out there. Well, that's 100 videos working for you. Whereas for an influencer, you upload one video, it's only relevant for like a week. If you do affiliate marketing, especially if you do how-to videos, people are always searching for how-tos. So you generate 100 different how-tos on how to repair a car, and you use your product all the time, or you use different products all the time. In that, now you have 100 videos working for you, and all you have to do, just like I'm about to do to you right now, you say at the bottom in the description below, go to the website that I use, such and such brand, and it'll help you get started on fixing up your car, or getting started on making your stock portfolio better, or basket weaving, something like that. I don't know. But it's something that you could be passionate about, but it doesn't have to feel like you're sit here and you're grinding away at it. It's something to be more fun about. And that when you start a business and you start a YouTube channel, that's what you want. You want to be able to have fun with it, and you want to not feel like it's a second job. So I highly suggest, if you want to be able to do what I do and become your own boss, go down in the description below. My mentor has provided 4 absolutely free days of how to become an affiliate marketer through YouTube. No ad space required. Your information is 100% safe. I will never share it with anybody. The only time I'm going to use it is to send you your free training. Absolutely free, risk-free. So just go down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the winner's circle. See you around.